Hello and welcome to this tutorial. In this tutorial, we shall be learning how to make money using Wattpad. Wattpad is a platform where writers can share their stories with readers from all around the world. While it's a great platform for writers to showcase their work, Wattpad is not necessarily a place to make a lot of money. However, there are a lot of ways you can potentially earn some income on Wattpad, and that is what we are going to be looking at today. So you will need to come to wattpad.com, and for you to create an account, you can click on login, then you click on sign up. Then you can sign up with an email. So here you put your email, then you also input your password. In case you have done that, you will simply log in. That is if you already have an account. If you don't, you simply first register as we have demonstrated. So I'll simply log in because I already have an account with Wattpad. So I'll log in with my email. Then I click on login and it takes me to the Wattpad homepage on this page. So this is their homepage. Now, to make money on Wattpad, there are several ways you can earn money. So let's begin with the first one. Now the first one, you can simply come here and click on write, and then you come to writing contests. You click on that and you'll be brought to this page where we have the writing contest for Wattpad that also can give you some good earning if you participate. Now you notice that the first contest here, the partner track short story contest, is already closed. This one for Maybelline Brave Together 2022 is also closed. But you look at this one, Wattpad Ambassador Contest, it is open. So you can participate on such contests which come with some gifts and of course some money. Like this one is open. Then down here, this one is closed, this one is closed. But of course, these keep on changing from time to time. So you can always keep on checking the ones that are open. Most of these ones, as you can see, are already closed. But the one that is open and the ones that are open, you can always participate in them. So by participating here, you'll be earning some gifts from Wattpads. And of course, we have some cash prizes to be won. So in this case, for instance, if I click on enter now, it takes me to this Wattpad page for contests. And the good thing with this one is you notice here they give you a notice, and down here they tell you what exactly they do. We don't host writing contests ourselves. Instead, we direct you to all the weird, wonderful, and wild contests taking place across the platform. So this helps you to now be able to participate in the contests that are there. We have calendar contests from Wattpad HQ, and all these diversity and inclusion contests where you can find information about diversity inclusion, and then you can participate in that. And if I click on show more, I'll be able to even see more of the contests that I can participate in. So that's one way that you can earn money from Wattpad. So if now I go back home, another way that I can earn money on Wattpad is by looking at Wattpad programs and opportunities up here. So I'll click on that, right? Then I click on Wattpad programs and opportunities, and it takes me to this page where we have programs and opportunities. So we have the Wattpad programs and opportunities, which I can join the Wattpad. But also under this one, programs and opportunities, you notice we have all programs, Wattpad creators programs, then we have the Watties, and we have the Wattpad paid stories, Wattpad Webtoon studios, and all that. So I can now earn money by participating in Wattpad paid stories. So I click on Wattpad paid stories, and it takes me to this page where we have the Wattpad paid stories. if now I scroll down, it now gives me the details in which I can participate. Now, you notice one thing, that for these paid stories to work, you will need an invitation. And they say here, for writers, paid stories is an invite-only program. This looks different for each story and can include things from full story editing to cover preparation to descriptive or description tag support. So if you manage to write nice stories, they'll be able to now identify you and include you in the paid stories, in the Wattpad paid stories, where you'll also be able to earn. And it's very clear here, they have already explained that being connected to your reader is one of the most satisfying way to reward. And here they say that with paid stories, your audience can also reward you with monetary support. So this is another way in which you can earn money by writing paid stories. So another way to earn money using Wattpad, it's simply coming to programs and opportunities. Then you click on brand opportunities. It's also found down here, brand opportunities. And in this case, you are going to connect to brands through exciting partnerships and increased exposure and paid opportunities. So in this case, you'll be able to create stories for sponsored brands who are able to pay you. And here we have the details in how you can participate in with brands on Wattpad. So you enter the Wattpad writing contest and you submit your story to win exciting prizes. Then winning stories could also get chance to be turned into a short film, podcast, commercial, and other media. Then you can also be enlisted with a brand to write a sponsored story. Then bonuses, chapters, or other seeded entries. Then you can create custom social content and participate in branded social media takeovers. And of course, we have much more. So through this program, therefore, it means that through brand opportunities, you can also be able to make money. You can also make money on Wattpad by using Wattpad the Watties. You come to programs and opportunities, then you will click on the Watties and it will take you to this page. And the details are given here. The Watty Awards are Wattpad's annual celebration of the electrifying, visionary, and diverse voices that choose to share their stories on Wattpad every year. And of course, we have different categories here. And then you have to keep an eye because this is not open throughout the year. You will be able to access this once it's open. And once you participate in this, then you'll be able to also earn some money. Another way to make money using Wattpad is by using Wattpad Webtoon Studios. You simply come to programs and opportunities, then you click on Wattpad Webtoon Studios. In this case now, you will be able to tell your story using the toons, and that story can be produced into a culture-defining team and TV films, can be produced into a culture-defining TV and films, and then it gets published, and then it can become the next best-selling. It makes your dreams come true. You can imagine now creating maybe a webtoon on this site, and then it's adapted by a brand, a big brand. You basically get an earning from that, which is also another great way of making your earning. And to get noticed, you keep on creating. They explain to you here, it's easy. You keep creating. Those are the comics or graphic novels and more. You simply go to Webtoon and start your first draft there. And then if your story gets adopted maybe by a big brand and so on, again, that will be another way for you to get some money. So in summary, those are just a few of the ways that you can make money using Wattpad.com. I hope this has been helpful. Kindly like this video share, and subscribe to our YouTube channel.